Hi, I'm Hetty Bryant and I'm your subject convener for this session for MGT552 Leadership and Social Impact. I'll just give you a little bit of an overview about myself, but I really want to talk to you mostly about the subject. So I come from a background, quite a diverse background, and my profile's in the subject outline, so I won't go over that in great detail. But my background is really very much built up over many years of being a facilitator, a learning facilitator. So my approach to teaching with you during this summer session will be really very much a facilitative approach. I'm not the font of all knowledge. I'm not the content holder of everything. I believe that the wisdom's in the room, the wisdom's with all of you. And so really in many ways, this subject is really about self-leadership and about you discovering what parts of leadership, when it comes to the orientation of creating social change, that resonate with you, who you are, and your practice. Okay? So the actual subject is based on a number of different theories, but they all roll up to looking at social change, oriented towards facilitating social change or impact, social impact, social purpose, and they're all very similar in the way that they're what we call post-heroic approaches. So they're not individual, they're not singular. They're distributed, they're collective and collaborative, and relational approaches to leadership. Because we realise in this world that's changing so rapidly, this VUCA world as we call it, which is volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous, that more and more we need to be working with others to facilitate change. And we need to be able to do that in a relational and networked way. So you'll be learning a lot of different theories. Some will resonate with you, others won't. But as I said, the underpinning orientation is about working with others in a leadership and leaderful way rather than a singular heroic approach. So if you've signed up to this subject thinking that you're just going to be oriented towards, what's my leadership style, what's my individual leadership approach, I'm going to be developing a vision for others, you're in the wrong room. This is really about how you can increase your capacity with others, working with the other to actually create that impactful future. So it's very much about being present with yourself and with others. The session starts on the 18th of November, and I look forward to working with you from that time. My details are in the subject outline. My phone number and my email. Really good idea to email me first if you wish to catch up and have a chat, because I do work part-time. And yes, I look forward to meeting you all and facilitating your learning journey between the 18th of November and the beginning of February. Cheers.